You don't need me for this.
Yeah.
Carry on eating my lunch.
Yep. Well, that one's just gone up.
Oh, that's annoying. You know, the other thing is, I think
Yeah.
that these lifts have got that type of OTIS logic where I think this one responds to, I think D1 responds to up calls and D2 responds to down calls.
Oh yeah, because I had D2 last time I filmed here.
I don't know that for 100% certainty, but I think that's just what I've observed from when I have been in this building before.
Oh, yep.
Yeah. It seems to prioritise. And also, we only noticed this the other week.
Yes.
So that 7's an upside down L.
Yes, I saw your guys' story on that, I did.
Whereas the other one's a normal 7, but I've never spotted that before.
Oh yeah, she's coming down.
Just goes to show how much attention I was paying.
Yeah.
Just watch out, there's probably be people in it as it's coming down.
Yeah, better watch out, because that one happened last time. Right, so this is just a quick retake of the service lifts in the Grace Neal building at Wellington Hospital. Now, I have filmed these lifts before, but these are actually the last of the original lifts here. With all the other ones having been replaced by Schindler 7000s. I think the reason why these ones have been delayed is because, as Alex was just saying, they're refurbishing some of the floors in this building. So yeah. I can't get that open, but we'll get a look at the CAD though. Yeah, so this is lift D1, whereas last time I had lift D2, which was the car on the right, but yeah. Right. We are back at level 3. There it goes. And that's it.